Hey guys, we're back. So I'm going to feed this through the firewall, and Carson can put the nuts and everything on the inside of the car. So let me get, here, you grab these. Let me get inside the engine bay, and then I'll have you hand me there we go. Okay, here with the master cylinder.
Okay.
Because then I'll hop out and finish everything off.
What the fuck? Alright. We're good, I think.
And I'll finish everything off on those real quick. And then I'm going to start with the wiring harness, get that routed. Get that plugged into place, which is right on the side of the master cylinder, so it'll be really easy, and I'll start getting everything strapped into place and make it look nice and pretty again. But on that note, we'll see you guys. And one last one. Oh, hold on. I thought something didn't look right. I need you to is that right? Yeah, that's right. Forgot a washer. And yes, it's really that bad today. On that note, see you guys in the next one.